Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can slide out the key rings from your 6-ring key holder. Here is my 6-ring key holder. So what you're going to do, you just press both sides and then push one side. Do you see how it's sliding out? So you press this side and pull this out. Yeah, that is that simple. That is how you take your key rings from your 6-ring key holder. And you can take this out as well from the holder like this. And you just put your key, put them back. Let's take this out. There is my car key fob. Let's slide this in. So there you go. And for some reason, if you don't want to keep these key rings on your key holder, you can always take them out. It's simple, just slide them out like that. And let me show you how you can put them back again. So you have to press again both sides, like you have to press this, but I'm pressing this side and I'll just press this side with the holder. There you go. And when you want to open, you just press both sides and push with this finger like this, or you can press both sides and push with this finger. There you go. Yeah, so that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. That means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching this video and see you again in my next one. Bye.